Guys, this is SpeedCubeBello and today we'll unbox the GTS3M. So let's start opening the package. I have this. Oops, sorry for that. I have this knife here this time, and oh god. So this is kind of embarrassing, but this is definitely going to be my main, the GTS3M. So for those who don't know, this is the third cube in the Waylong GTS series. You must know it, the GTS2M, which is the the latest update, latest cube of that. Before this GTS3M, has is like a very good cube. I'm stammering, I'm sorry, but so yeah, it even so the 3.47 world record, is on that cube only. So yeah, so this is Cubelelo Calm weight 5, which I needed. So yeah, and then we have here some bills, invoice, and we have a wristband Cubelelo. I'm not sponsored by them, obviously. And then empty, and here's the box, guys. The one and only GTS3M. Been waiting for it. It's a pretty nice box. It says M here, has nice gold font text, and nice some Chinese over here. Let's review the box real quick. Moyu cubing dream, and yeah. So let's open it. That's nice. So it comes in like this. Over here we have the accessories box, and then the cube itself, and then yeah, and so we'll just go to the accessories box real quick. We have we have Yusheng Do over here. What's up, Yusheng? Then we have stuff about the box. Then magnet screwdriver. I don't know why mine is red though. And we have new tensioning tools, which I'll go through. Not much, but JBum has a very thorough a video about it, so you can just go through that, link in the description. I'm sorry the knife was there. So yep, boys, this is the cube. Sorry, I went straight to the first turns there. So before do any further turns, we have this over here in the bottom of the stand. So you can just pop it like this, and it is like a stand for a cube, like that. And yeah, so that was that. And so the case is pretty good. It's also stackable. That aside, the shades look pretty cool. Let's move on to the first turns. Okay, so I messed up the algo. Never mind. So this is like a very dry and very sandy out of the box. The tensions are pretty loose. So I'll just be back with a cut right now, guys. Sorry. Hey guys, sorry I had to do a cut because I had to do a cut because the next day I had exams. I needed to prepare, but I really wanted to open this package. So yeah, but now we're into it. So this is the main part of the video. Sorry that was a little bit hectic, the unboxing part. So as you can already tell, this is very clacky, very loud. Not the cube you would use in an airplane. So let's test the corner cutting. The one piece, easy, 45, easy, a little bit more, yeah, I'd say 50, not that much. Let's line to line from this side, that's even a thing. So yeah, I'd say about 50, 40, about that 45 degrees mark in the do this setting of the dual adjustment system, which I'll go through in a bit. So the obvious, this cube has ridges. I hope you can see. Yep, so it has ridges. Pretty not that big actually. So when I'm solving, I don't notice the ridges that much. It does not bother me. And I have seen that response from other people too. So yeah, I've seen that response from other people too. The magnets are also like pretty strong, maybe like even stronger than 50 if that's possible. but the thing is, like, I don't know if it's just me, but I get a little bit tired if I solve on this too much, because as I said, the magnets are magnets are pretty strong. You can definitely feel it even if you're turning fast or if you're turning slow. You can feel that magnetic bump. So let's move on to the GES right here. So why did I? Okay, I'll not open the blue so you can not see it. So okay, so never mind. So this blue thing beneath the center cap is the dual adjustment system. I'm sorry, there's a glare. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So let's cover the GS real quick. So this blue thing under the center cap, this is the GS. It is on all the center pieces. It has like these thingies, so you can pull the center cap out real quick. I should have cut that, but too late. So yeah. So currently out of the box, it is on the lowest setting. It can turn all the way to 8. Just listen. Let me focus the camera here. Please focus. Cooperate. Yeah. See here. 3, 6. And this is currently on the 8, which is the highest setting. So I have to do that on all the sides to make it feel different. And if you turn another one, then it just goes back to the first setting. So it's a trade-off between speed and stability. So if your cube is on the lower setting, it will be faster but less stable. If it's on the on a higher end, it will be slower but less stable, slower but more stable. I like mine to be faster. I don't care that much about stableness. I like mine to be pretty fast. So I like it to be on the first, but I will set it on second. I would use second maybe, but I have not used it that much, so I might change. But as I am not going in depth with that, you can see JPUM's video, link in the description. He goes pretty thorough on that. So yeah, I'll just put center caps on this thing. Before I go any further, this cube is 56 millimeters, but feels bigger because it has these ridges, as I told you. I mean, you must know by now. I mean, that's like the main thing that is added on the GTS3M after the dual adjustment system, I believe. So yep, the price is in the description, and let's just quickly compare some things with the GTS2M, which I have right here, which I borrowed from my friend. So yeah, so the GTS2M does not have the dual adjustment system, which you might know. I'm sorry, it does not have the dual adjustment system. So yep, that's one thing. Second is obviously this has ridges, this does not, and that's probably everything I covered which is visible. But let's go inside. I have disassembled. Yeah, so real quick, I just want to tell you that I didn't mean to do the transition that Cubesolve video does anyway. That was just like an accident, not even an attempt. Okay guys. The GTS2M has that blue core, while the GTS3 has the white. I don't know what the difference is, but colors. Before I move further, let's just see the lips. I think the GTS3M has slightly bigger and larger lips over beneath the center caps. So let's look at the corner pieces. So this has the corner stock is like primary internal thing. I don't know what you call that, but This is but in the GTS2 it is colored. Also this has the anti-twist mechanism, if you can see, and but I'm not, this does not. And just more grooves on the GTS3M all around, more complex design. Let's move on to the edge pieces. So edge pieces are basically the same thing. This edge stop is like the white transparent thingy, while this is colored. This has definitely more multi-layered torpedoes. This just has one more complex design over here and has grooves all over for easy lube distribution. So that was the, I have this cube put back together, and I think I covered everything you need to know about the GTS3M. So before the outro, I'll just show you the way it came and all the packaging of it real quick. Boom, right here. So it comes in a nice black box with golden writing that you can feel, and I have this Chinese lettering over here. It says M GTS3 magnetic wheel long GTS3M 3x3. Some Chinese. Then in the back we have Moyu cubing green, and then in the back right here we have some other stuff. So if you open the box, it's like, even the box is magnetic. Not that big box, but definitely bigger than the GTS2 box. So has this nice accessories box. Comes in a case along with this, which you can use as a stand, which is kind of useless, but it's more it's like, yeah, so you can use this as a stand. And then the accessories box contains accessories, but to be more specific, it contains this, how to use the box, something like that, the design of the box. So yeah, this is you shouldn't do some cards. This can be something else for you, by the way. So this is how to solve the cube, how to solve the 3x3. This is a tutorial, I guess. Yes, the beginner's method. Then we have an extra dual adjustment system part, some magnets, screwdriver, tensioning tools, and this, the main thing. So yep, that was all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.